This keema is really made nice and spicy. It's normally made with mutton, but it tastes equally good with chicken. So there's a pan heating up. I've got some regular oil, and once it's hot, you add the whole garam masalas. So I've got some cinnamon sticks, Star Anise, just one will do, some cloves, that's good enough, and I've got some bay leaves, some coarsely ground black pepper. So let's saute all of this. Once this is sauteed well, time to add some chopped onions. My favorite salt trick to start off. Once it's slightly sauteing, some garlic paste and some ginger paste. So let this all saute. I'm adding some chili powder, some green chilies, turmeric powder, this is coriander powder, and some jeera powder. So all of this is in. Let it cook a bit. To add to the taste, I've got some brown onion paste here. Okay, so now with the chicken mince, around 400 grams is what I'm using. So let the chicken mince cook now with this. Time to add a little bit more salt. A little bit of Kasuri Methi, which is fenugreek leaves. They go in. And for the bright color and tanginess, I'm adding some tomato puree. So the keema is cooking. I'm just going to sprinkle some water. So good amount of mint leaves into this and let it all cook together. Lovely. Served into any bowl. Lovely. Since we are using an onion paste, some onions on top. I've got some hard-boiled egg, so I'm just going to grate the egg on top. That's it. So you can have it either with a sunny side up egg. Lovely, yummy, easy to make chicken keema, Mumbai style, street food style.